Let us do another example. To simplify the given expression, we need to simplify each fraction inside the expression. So we need to simplify this and this aside, and after that we can combine them. To do that, for simplifying this fraction, for example, we need to find a common denominator for each one of them. So let's us do that. So I will work with 2 minus 6 over x. So the common denominator should be x. So I can write it here is equal to 2 times x divided by x minus 6 over x, which is 2x minus 6 divided by x. So I'm done with the first part of the fraction. Let's now work with the other part of the fraction. So 1 minus 9 over x squared is equal to 1 times x squared divided by x squared minus 9 divided by x squared. So my common denominator is x squared, so that's why I'm multiplying by x squared. So this is equal to x squared minus 9 divided by x squared. Now I can combine both expressions in a single one. So same thing, 2 minus 6 over x divided by 1 minus 9 over x squared is equal to this one instead of this one, and this one instead of this one. So is equal to 2x minus 6 over x divided by x squared minus 9 over x squared. Okay, which is 2 times x minus 3 divided by x, everything divided by, I know that this part, this one, is same as x squared minus 3 squared, which is equal to x minus 3 times x plus 3. Okay, so I will write it here as x minus 3 times x plus 3 divided by x squared. Okay, so I have two division. I can change them by the opposite of a multiplication. So it will be 2x minus 3 divided by x times the opposite of this one. So I will flip this one. So if you have a division, something over something divided by something over something, it is this one. You keep this one and you change this by a multiplication times. This will be go to the top and this will go to the bottom. So which is times, let's write this as a dot, times x squared divided by x minus 3 times x plus 3. And now I can see that I can simplify by x minus 3 and I can simplify 1x. So which will give me, this is equal to 2x divided by x plus 3. Okay, now for the non-permissible value, when I simplify each fraction inside its expression with finding a common denominator, I got this one, and from this I got this one. So I can see that my x should be different than 0, and x should be different than 3, and x should be different than minus 3. Why? This is should not be equal to 0, this is should not be equal to 0, and this should not be equal to 0. Okay, so for my non-permissible value, I have x should be different than 0, and x should be different than 3, and x should be different than minus 2. Okay, for b, I will do the same thing. I will work with the like have a common denominator for the upper one, and have I will simplify it separately, and they will also simplify this separately. Until after that, I will combine both of them. So 3 over 2 plus 3 over t. The common denominator is 2 times t. So 3t over 2t plus 3 times 2 over 2t is equal to 3t plus 6 divided by 2t. So if you want to understand this, I will multiply this by t, and they will multiply this by 2. I will do the same thing up and down to get a common denominator, which is this one. After that, I can do the addition. So for the bottom side, t over t plus 6 minus 1 over t is equal to okay, I will multiply here by t plus 6, and I will multiply this by t. So it will give me t squared, t times t, which is t squared, divided by t times t plus 6 minus 1 times t plus 6 divided by t times t plus 6, okay, which is t squared minus t minus 6 divided by t times t plus 6. This minus comes from minus 1 times t minus 1 times plus 6, which will give us minus here and the minus here. Now I can go ahead and write my form for the whole thing. So now I can write 3 over 2 plus 3 over t divided by t over t plus 6 minus 1 over t is equal to this one divided by this one, which is 3t plus 6 divided by 2t divided by t squared minus t minus 6 over t times t plus 6. Now I can simplify this by taking this 3 out, okay, and same thing, I will simplify this by 3t plus 6 is equal to 3 times t plus 2, and same thing, t squared minus t minus 6 is equal to t minus 3 times t plus 2. Why this? So this is because I need two numbers that if you multiply them you will get minus 6, and if you add them you will get minus 1, and this number are minus 3 and 2, so minus 3 plus times 2 is minus 6, minus 3 plus 2 is minus 1. So, and we just plug this minus 3 here and this 2 here. Okay, now we will replace this with this, and we will replace this with this. So this is equal to 3 times t plus 2 divided by the 2t divided by t minus 3 times t plus 2. divided by t times t plus 6. And because I have a division here, I can change it to a multiplication by flipping these two. So this is equal to 3 times t plus 2 divided by 2t times t times t plus 6 divided by t plus 3 times t plus 2, t minus 3. Okay, okay, now I can simplify by t plus 2, and I will get, and I will also can simplify by t, and I will get 3 times t plus 6 divided by 2 times t plus 3. Good. For the non-permissible value, I can see from this part of my equation that I am not allowed to have t is equal to 0, this equal to 0, and I am not allowed to have t is equal to 3, and I am not allowed to have t is equal to minus 2. Same thing here, I see that I am not allowed to have my t is equal to minus 6. So my non-permissible value are t should be different than 0, 3, minus 2, and minus 6. So 0 came from here and came also from here, 3 came from here, and minus 2 came from here, and minus 6 came from here. Good. I have here minus 3 instead of 3 because we have minus 3 here, and it came from here. So minus 3 should be here minus 3. So minus 3. So this is the reduced form, and this is the non-permissible value.